Hello viewers, how are you? Today I will tell you how you can convert any audio into video. For this, first of all, you have to open the Play Store in your mobile. After opening the Play Store, write voice changer in the search box and search it. Here you can see a lot of apps. I will choose the second one, voice changer with effects. Install it in your mobile. As I have already installed it, so I will open it. This is the app. Now click on the three dots on the upper right corner. Here choose the option import pre-recorded sound. If you have any audio in your mobile, then you must choose the option My Device. Choose the audio from your list. I will choose the shortest one to show you the result quickly. Now click on these three dots and choose the option create image with sound. If you want to choose any image from your mobile gallery, then choose the option gallery. Now I will choose this image for my video. Here you can see the video has been created. Now I'll show you the result. Check, this is the video. Using this app, you can convert your audio in different other sound effects. For example, if you want to convert your audio in a robot sound, then you can choose the option here. Let me show you. So after choosing the audio, you must choose the option from here. Create image, gallery, and choose the image. Now you can see this audio has the sound of a robot. So viewers, similarly you can convert your audio in different sound effects and make a perfect video for your YouTube channel. I hope you like the video. Thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe my channel.